Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today I have taken a new video like every day. Today, our video topic is how to get long and thickened hair permanently at home. Before starting, I want to say please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. At first, take an onion. Peel off the onion. Now, grate it. Strain it now. Then add 1 piece of vitamin E capsule. Mix the two ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Add 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Mix it well properly. Now, ready for use. Apply it on your hair gently 3 to 4 times in a week, before 2 hours of bathing for better results. Friends, see you again in our next videos. Friends, thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.